Hey guys, Erica with a K here. Today's video is going to be on the Brazilian Blowout Split Ends Smoother Corrector. I don't really know what it's called, and honestly, I'm not really sure how this never got more traction. But my brand is cruelty-free. This was a service that I was offering before I became cruelty-free, and so I had a lot of product left, and I decided I'm gonna do it because you know what? You guys can get your hands on this on Amazon. I'll leave a link down in my affiliate link, and you guys can technically do this at home. And so if you guys are okay with the chemicals that are in it, and if you guys are okay with the fact that there is no real guarantee that you're getting this legit one on Amazon, but you might. I don't really know what else to say about that. And if you guys are okay that it's not cruelty-free, because just because I'm cruelty-free doesn't mean I'm forcing you guys to be cruelty-free. So if you guys are okay with all of that, I will leave it linked below. And then this is just pretty much how I got my hair to look like what it looks like now, which I feel like looks so much better than what it used to look like. So let's get into this video. First and foremost, what this is going to do, it's not a straightening treatment. It's not the Brazilian Blowout, the main one. It is literally just going to help your split ends. It's just going to mend them and repair them and everything like that. So I would recommend using a bowl, putting some product in a bowl, using a brush and brushing it through. As you can see, I didn't have any of that stuff at my disposal today. So I just went in, balls to the wall, and I just put it right on my hands and I just put it right on the ends of my hair. I did immediately wash my hands. I did not start anything else until my hands were washed and they were clean, because this is a very strong chemical and it could really make your hands feel very strange if you don't do that. Then I used a brush and I just brushed it through. A comb would be better, but again, I did not have that. And then I cleaned the hair out of the brush, because that is really important. You're not going to want to keep on putting that back on your hair and back on your hair and back on your hair every time you brush it after. This product is meant to be blow dried in and straightened into your hair. So, and it's also meant to only be put on the ends of your hair. It's not meant for your entire head, just the ends of your hair. So after that, I did open up the window because I just wanted to not have to smell the toxic smell of it. But hey, if you guys are okay with that, that's cool too. You guys maybe want to get like a fan or something like that to invest in. So I did open up the window, as I had said, and then I just kind of loosely blow dried my hair with my hands for about 2 minutes. I'm not going to torture you guys and show you guys that whole clip. I'm going to definitely skip through that, but I wanted to get the most of the moisture out of my hair before I went in and actually started to section it out and blow dry it with a round brush. So that is the next thing. You're going to want to section out your hair and you're going to want to blow dry it with a round brush. However you decide to blow dry your hair is up to you. The most important thing is that it's not wet at all, because you don't want to then put an iron on it and it to literally burn your hair off, because that is what will happen. I'm going to link down below the video of how to clean a round brush, because there is an actual science to it and not everybody knows it. So I will definitely link my videos down below. I have 2 of them. One is old and just really awkward and uncomfortable, but that one happens to get the most views, and then I will link the updated one as well. Okay, so then after that is all done, you're going to go through again, section your hair. I like to start from the bottom. I just think it makes the most sense, most practical. I'm not really sure how you would do the top, but anyway, and you're going to just have your iron ready, plug it in, and just start flat ironing, focusing on the ends. If you have curly hair like I do and you're just going to wear your hair like this, that's totally fine. So you guys can iron up a little bit higher, but please understand, if you didn't put any product on your roots, you are just putting an iron right on your hair, and you probably want to put a heat protectant on first. So let's backtrack a little bit. If you guys are going to iron your entire head and not just the ends of your hair, please put a heat protectant on, because you don't want to be frying your hair in an effort to not fry your hair. It would be kind of counterproductive. So anyway, you're going to focus on the ends and just run through them about 3 times each. You could do more if you'd like. And then again, I would have a comb. I had a brush in this video, but if you have a comb, just kind of comb through. You definitely don't want to leave that part out. You want to make sure as you're going through the hair, you are following it with a comb, just to kind of get all the kinks out and everything like that. You don't want to be flat ironing kinks into your hair. So that is pretty much everything. That is how I did my hair. I'm ready to go to work right now, wash and go. So I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. And I will also have a video linked of this makeup look, and I will also Nope, not and I will also. And also this lasts about 4 weeks, about a month. So you probably want to do this every month. There's a ton in the bottle and you only need a very little amount. Okay, I love you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.